TLE6. Home Economics. Project Plan for Household Linen. Lesson 5. Project Plan for Household Linen. Learning Competency Code TLE6HE-0c-6, Week 3. Prepares Project Plan for Household Linens. Lesson Objectives. 1. Define a project plan. 2. Identify the parts of the project plan. 3. Identify the guidelines in planning a project. 4. Prepare a project plan for the chosen household linen. Let's be informed. Project planning. Project plan is a formal document designed to guide the control and execution of a project. Careful and systematic planning is the first step in starting sewing a project. Plan what to sew, the materials you need, and how to go about the project. The following are some guidelines to consider in planning a project.
1. Once you have chosen the design, list the materials needed. 2. Choose the fabric most suitable for the project.
3. Plan the steps to be followed in making the project.
4. Prepare the sewing tools, materials, and sewing machine.
Making your own household linens can save money. You can also exercise your creativity by producing the design that you really like. Some of these can also be sold to augment the family income. What do you want to make? Recall the format for project planning earlier in the lesson. Plan your project for household linens. Household linen examples are the following: tablecloth, table napkin, place mat, pillowcase, centerpiece, bed sheet, hand towel, table runner. In making a project plan, follow the sample format below. 1. Name of project. Placemat with cross-stitch design. 2. Objectives. To make a placemat with cross-stitch design. To develop skills in making placemat. To demonstrate steps in doing cross-stitch. 3. Sketch. Draw the raw materials and the finished product. 4. Materials and tools needed. Write the materials and tools needed. Example. Materials. Fabric for front and back of placemats, about a yard, ironed. Interfacing, muslin, batting, or thin polar fleece to add body to placemat. Cutting mat, ruler, and rotary blade. Pins. Scissors. Sewing machine with coordinating thread. Iron with mat. 5. Procedure. Write the steps in doing the project. Cut 6 fabric fronts, 13 by 18 inches. Cut 6 fabric backings, 13 by 18 inches. Cut 6 pieces, 13 by 18 inches, of interfacing. Layer placemat pieces front and back facing together and interfacing on top, pin in place. For a decorative edge, measure 3 inches in from corner, in and down, and cut from point to point. You can also leave it a rectangle. Sew all edges 1/4 inch, leaving an opening at the bottom, large enough to flip. Snip corners, and remove pins. Flip inside out, reaching in between the front and back fabric pieces. Be sure to push out all corners and finger press or ironically. Fold an opening and pin. Sew around entire edge of placemat, close to edge, starting with sewing the opening shut. Make a design for your cross stitch, then sew to finish. Six. Evaluation. Use this scorecard to evaluate your project. Let's explain. Explain the parts of the project plan. What is the criteria in evaluating the project? Explain. Let's remember. Sewing materials are important to make sewing successful and enjoyable. Orderliness and cleanliness can be developed by taking care of your sewing materials. Maintain your work area clean and orderly. Let's do together. Prepare a project plan for a household linen and present it in class. Reinforcement. Prepare materials and tools needed for your project.
Thank you for watching and listening. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more content update.